So yeah, people, from Santa Cruz to Galas Port, the end of the boulevard on my jogging. And as you guys can see, they don't have ferries, medallion, because I seen this morning medallion page on Facebook that they cancel the travel from Dipolog Port to Cebu because of the weather forecast. We had upcoming typhoon, so as you guys can see, no ferry here in the Galas Port. So 3.6 kilometers from Santa Cruz to Galas Port on my walking, but I'm gonna go back. That's the sunset. Yeah, this is just a short video, people. Thank you. And there's people swimming there. So yeah.